Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a charged laptop, updated OS, and the Zoom app installed. Sign in now using SSO, Google, Apple, or email. This lets Zoom save settings and meetings. Allow camera and microphone permissions so video and audio work. Once done, plug a headset for clearer sound and connect to stable Wi-Fi. This reduces lag and dropouts. Make sure your webcam position and lighting are set, because how you appear affects meeting presence and clarity. You join a meeting by clicking the invite link or entering the meeting ID and passcode. Input your display name and choose Join with Computer Audio. If you host, schedule via new meeting or calendar integration, set a passcode and waiting room to control entry, and assign a co-host to share moderation tasks. During the meeting, manage mic and camera quickly, rename yourself for clarity, and switch between gallery and speaker view to focus on participants or the active speaker. You present by clicking Share Screen and choosing a window, full screen, or the whiteboard. Enable system audio when sharing a video so participants hear sound. If you need a record, hit Record to the cloud or locally. Stop and save the file before exiting. When finished, end meeting for all or leave meeting if another host remains. If audio fails, check mute toggles, select the correct microphone or speaker in audio settings, and reconnect to Wi-Fi to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.